Amex versus Chase app. Which credit card app gives better rewards for travel? Whether you're a frequent flyer, digital nomad, or just love squeezing every dollar out of your travel budget, today's video is for you. We're comparing two giants in the credit card reward game, which is going to be the American Express application versus the Chase mobile app. Which one gives you more control, better points value, and smoother redemption when it comes to travel rewards? From booking flights to transferring points and unlocking perks like airport lounges, we'll break down everything you need to know. So stay tuned till the end of the video if you're serious about maximizing your travel rewards. All of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. The first thing that we have to talk about is the basics, which is what are a Amex and Chase app. Basically, the Amex app is the companion application for the American Express credit card. It lets you manage payments, track membership reward points, browse Amex offers, and book travel directly through their platform. Now for Chase application, it supports Chase personal and business credit card, especially the popular Chase Sapphire series. It connects seamlessly to Chase Ultimate Rewards, where you can track and redeem points for travel, cashbacks, and more. Both applications are central to managing your credit card and rewards, but they differ in a lot of features, flexibility, and traveler friendliness. From there, we then have to talk about the ease of use and user interface for the applications. So, how easy it is to use each app. For the Amex application, they have a modern, intuitive design. They have a clean navigation of card features. They have customizable home screens. And lastly, they have one-tap access to pay with points for travel purchases. Now for the Chase application. Once again, they are also highly intuitive with a robust dashboard. They have a real-time transaction alerts. They have smooth integration with the Chase travel portal. And lastly, you can easily manage multiple Chase cards in one view. Now for this category, it's going to be a tie. Both applications are user-friendly, but the Amex application is more visual and polished, while the Chase's app is a bit more flexible for card management. Of course, we then have to navigate through the travel booking and features. Here's where travel-focused users need to pay attention. For the Amex app, they have book flights, hotels, car rentals, and experiences through the Amex Travel. They offer perks like fine hotels and resort and the hotel collection. And lastly, you can apply points directly during checkout. Now for the Chase's application, they have a built-in ultimate reward travel portal. It is powered by Expedia. You can often get 25% to 50% more point value when booking through the portal. They also support booking flights, hotels, and experiences. And lastly, there are search and filters that are easy to use. Now, the winner for travel booking flexibility is going to be the Chase application, especially if you're using cards like the Chase Sapphire Preferred or Reserve. Now, we then have to navigate through the travel rewards value, which gives you more bang for your points. Now, for Amex, they have 1 point equals 1 cent for flights through Amex Travel. They have 0.7 cents for hotels, lower for gift cards or statement credit. And lastly, transfer partners include Delta, ANA, Emirates, British Airways, and many more. Now for Chase, 1 point is equivalent to 1.25 cents with the Sapphire Preferred and 1.5 cents with the Sapphire Reserve. Points can also be transferred to travel partners like United, Hyatt, Southwest, and Singapore Airlines. Redemptions through the Chase travel portal often yield higher value for flights and hotels. Now, the winner for redemption value is going to be Chase, especially for travelers who leverage the portal or transfer strategically. We then have to navigate through the exclusive perks for travelers. This is where Amex usually shines. Now, for the Amex application, you have access to Centurion lounges, Priority Pass, and Delta Sky Club if you're flying Delta. They have hotel elite statuses with cards like Platinum or Hilton Honors Surpass. And lastly, travel insurance and concierge features is built on the application. Now for the Chase's app, they have Priority Pass with Sapphire Reserve. They have premium car rental benefits, some hotel perks via luxury hotel and resort collection, and they have built-in trip cancellation, that's interruption insurance. Now for this category, Amex will go ahead and take the lead, especially for luxury travelers and lounge lovers. Now, we then have to navigate through the transferring points to travel partners. So, if you're a points optimizer, this section is for you. For the Amex application, you can simply transfer membership rewards to 18 plus travel partners. Transfer rates may vary, but can be excellent with sweet spots, for example, ANA for business class. Now for the Chase's application, transfer ultimate rewards to 14 plus partners, and the transfer is typically 1-to-1 ratio, fast and seamless within the application. Now the winner is Amex for more partners, but Chase for more intuitive, beginner-friendly transfers. And of course, we then have to navigate through the security and card management. This is really important when it comes to these topics. Now for Amex, they have a feature where they can go ahead and freeze and unfreeze your card. They have two-factor authentication or biometric logins. They have purchase alerts and fraud detection. And lastly, you can request replacement cards or virtual cards. Now for the Chase's application, they can also freeze cards. They have instant alerts, travel notifications, dispute charges, and monitor credit score. Now for this one, it's going to be a tie because both applications are extremely secure and full-featured. And so the last thing that I want to talk about is the real user experience or reviews. Now for the Amex application, it is rated at 4.9 star on iOS. It is loved for smooth point redemption, travel support, and customer service. For the Chase's application, it is rated 4.8 stars. They are loved for versatility, ease of use, and the ultimate reward travel interface. Both have strong communities, but Amex users rave more about premium perks, while Chase users love the point value and flexibility. And so, which application is better for you? You want to use Amex if you hold a Platinum, Gold, or Hilton Amex. If you want luxury perks like lounge access and premium hotel upgrades. If you want to travel internationally often. And lastly, if you love the concierge and curated travel experiences. Now you want to choose Chase if you use Sapphire Preferred or Reserve, if you want to maximize value per point, if you prefer to redeem through a user-friendly portal, and lastly, if you want more flexible with the travel booking options. And so, what's the final word? If you're into luxury travel, global benefits, and elite experiences, Amex is likely your best bet. If you're a value hacker, booking through a flexible portal and transferring points smartly, Chase will be a better choice for this option. And so let's be real. For hardcore users, using both ecosystems strategically might be the ultimate combo. And so that wraps up our today's video. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.